In this quick video guide, we're going to talk about an add-on called BlenderBIM, which is for creating BIM objects and projects in Blender. So it's new technology that is gonna be the evolution of the CAD. And in our channel, you'll find video courses dedicated to BIM or BIM and also CAD or CAD. Just look for them. You will find AutoCAD, Revit, and many others. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use these add-on for the creation of IFC projects and objects, so BIM technology in Blender. So what I'm going to do is just create a new general file. And I've already downloaded and installed the plugin or add-on, but I'm going to show you where to get it. Just type BlenderKit in a search engine and you should find it right away in the first result. So you can see here, you can jump directly to the download page, or you can check some extra information here on the home page. So you can see that BIM is for mainly the creation of building, but not only creation, but also management. So it's kind of a, again, next generation project software to not only to project better, but also to plan and also to manage the entire building. So you can see that this is a free open source native IFC creator of architecture mainly. So you can see here you can work in the analysis of the building and the creation of different IFC models or elements or families, depending if you're coming from like Revit or other software, similar software. And then you can create drawings, you can do structural analysis, can create MEP, so mechanical engineering plumbing systems, and you can do analysis of the costs, and you can create schedules, do facility management, and so on. So you can check all the information right here. Now you can see that this is a funded project, so you can fund it yourself. By participating, you will help the developers to improve the add-on. So if we go in the download page, you have different version for Linux or Mac or M1 or Windows. In my case, I'm using Blender for Windows. So I click here and I will download this in my downloads folder. I've already done that, so just save and download it. And it's a zipped file, so now we can get back into Blender, and here we can install it. So to install it, you go to Edit, Preferences, go to Add-ons, click on Install, navigate into your folders, and there you go. So it's right here, BlenderBIM. You say Install, and okay, there are some errors here, but probably because I've already installed it, so it's kind of overriding or something. So let's look for the add-on in here. So I'm gonna search for BlenderBIM, and there you go. You can see it's already installed and activated. So if it's not, just click on the checkbox, activated, and you should see something appearing in your interface. Now I'm gonna show you where are the main areas. So this is just gonna be an introduction. I'm not gonna go into depth with this. And you have other options here. You can check, you have documentation, community, the wiki, the homepage, and so on. And this is for funding and donating to help the guys to improve the add-on and make it even better. So let's close this. And so you saw appearing this one here. This is a BIM tool, but it doesn't work. You can see it. If you click here, it's telling you that there are no IFC projects. So it doesn't work until you create one. And here on, you also have an extra panel here. So you press N if you want to open this. And you have some extra panels here. So you have this one here, BlenderBIM, and you have various panels, and also this one here, which are kind of all grayed out because we need an IFC project again. So where we need to go. First of all, I'm gonna get rid of the light. We don't need it right now. And also let's get rid of the cube and the camera. So we can just start with an empty project in Blender and then create our own in IFC format. Now to do this, we go to the scene and go down here until you find the IFC project info, and this is where you can set up the type of IFC. This is IFC4. Then you have the unit system, metric, and you can use meters, centimeters, or other, and area unit, square meter or other, volume unit, cubic meter or other. And this one here is important to get some initial objects or BIM elements or models, so we can go for the demo library, and then let's create the project. Okay, and well, I just went a little bit back, so I'm just gonna delete again this hold stuff that is not needed. So this is all the new stuff right here. So you have your project folder, and inside you have your site, and inside you have your building, and inside you have your story. So everything is kind of organized, automatically organized. And right here down below in this section, you also have types, which are like initial types that you can use. So in this case, I'm just going to go to the story here, which is empty right now. And let's press, well, if you go here, you can see now we can see something differently from what we saw before, because now we are in the project. And we can select a beam type or column or a door or a slab or a wall. So you have these kind of initial elements that you can use. So let's do like wall 300. Let's do add, and this is our first wall right here. Now if we press N again, we can go in the tool and we have extra settings right here. So you can manage the object right here. For example, you can change the height, the length. So this is all parametric because it runs on parameters. Now if I want, I can also add things from here. This is a column. Let's add like a beam, and you can see like the standard beam, so you can add it, and now it's right there. So again, this is these are all like presets that you can use, and this is just an introductory video guide. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel, support us by joining the channel as a supporter. And if you want, you can check other videos and guides dedicated to BIM technology, to IFC, and other 3D and CAD software in the channel. And if you want, you can also participate with comments, suggestions, questions. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.